Okay, our target is to find the greatest among two numbers without using relational operator. Okay, it is very simple to find out the greatest number if we know relational operator. Like if A is greater than B, then largest equals to A, else largest equals to B. But we cannot use relational operator. So now what to do? For this, let us consider two numbers as 5 and 3. Now, if I can add the difference to the smallest number, both the numbers are equal, that is 5 and 5, and the total is 10, which is twice of largest. And if I divide it by 2, I'm getting the largest. Okay. Now the problem is I have to add the difference. The difference is obviously A minus B. So if I say A minus B, the result may be in negative, maybe negative. So how to avoid this negative number? To avoid negative number, we have a function. We have a function f abs, which is present in math.h. So if I say f abs of A minus B, even if A is less than B, the result will always be, according to our example, 2. So here comes the solution. So to find out the greatest number from the two numbers, the solution is A plus B plus f abs of A minus B the whole by 2, which is our largest number. So here is the logic to find out the largest number. So now what will be the code? The code will be, say, we have to include math.h, iostream.h, void main. See, the two numbers are A and B. You accept the values of A and B. The largest number is A plus B, f abs of A minus B, the whole by 2. So here is the program.